Not feeling like yourself lately? The brain fog, the low energy, trouble sleeping, that sense that something's just off. At Age Rejuvenation, we see this all the time, and that's exactly why we created BAHI therapy. BAHI stands for blood circulation, antioxidant, hormonal balance, and immunity. It's a powerful multi-phase therapy that helps your body and mind reset so you can feel like you again. In just 45 minutes, you'll go through a 3-step wellness protocol, each one scientifically designed to work at the cellular level. Step 1. We start with sonics vibration therapy, a low-frequency sound wave treatment that stimulates your lymphatic system. It gets your circulation moving, detox pathways activated, and helps reduce inflammation without any discomfort. Step 2. Then we introduce hydrogen-oxygen therapy. Hydrogen is a powerhouse antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. It supports better cellular function, immune balance, and inflammation control. Step 3. You'll step into our full-body red light photomodulation chamber, which uses infrared, red, and green light combined with healing frequencies to boost ATP production. That's your body's natural energy currency. It stimulates collagen, improves blood flow, and even supports deep tissue and organ repair. What does this all mean for you? More energy and stamina, sharper focus and better mood, reduced pain and faster healing, hair follicle stimulation and skin rejuvenation, hormonal optimization and better sleep, stronger immune and respiratory support, long-term protection against inflammation and neurodegeneration. We've seen patients come in feeling drained and disconnected and leave feeling refreshed, recharged, and cleared. So if you've been feeling stuck, slowed down, or not quite like yourself, BAHI therapy might be exactly what your body's been asking for. Come experience the reset you didn't know you needed. Book your BAHI therapy session at Age Rejuvenation today and start feeling like yourself again.